Hey YouTube, Vegan Nomada. Just coming at you here from Cascade Mountain. It's sitting probably about a little over 4,000 feet. It's cold, but not too cold. Not as cold as it was last time up here. This being up here and a little bit less of oxygen, and after walking and all that, just makes me reflect on some things as far as what veganism has done to me. It makes me want to get out and share everything, and you know, for all of you that know me or to know me, I'm a very loving person. I care about everybody around me. I want to make sure everybody's happy, as happy as me. I like to think that I'm as happy as I can be and only getting happier and only getting better. But now veganism, in my mind, it's not putting people down. Even those that aren't quite educated enough to realize that the meat industry is taking over our world and ruining our world. But to realize that instead of bringing people down and talking down to people, even fellow vegans, don't talk down to fellow vegans, just try and help them understand. Don't sit there and talk bad about somebody. It's because all that does is make people defensive. In the end, we're all human beings, and you want to treat each other, that whole do unto others and I try to practice that every single day. And it's just, the more positivity you put out there, the more positivity you get back. And with that, I got one more thing. My buddy, I said my partner in crime, I don't know if he wants me to say his name or not, but he was talking to me today. Veganism's not just a diet. It's the ethical, it's a lifestyle. It's what you put in your body, and it's what you put out of your body into the world, and what you bring to the world itself. The more positivity and good vibes we can all bring in, the better humanity and the world's going to be as a whole. So I think we all just need to get back to being as together as possible. And through time we've all separated with technology and stuff like that. Now I think we should take this technology and what we have, these tools, and use them to our benefit and our advantage, and get back to loving one another. And with that, all the positivity in the world. I'm gonna hike back, gotta work tonight. Please subscribe, like, share my message, share my videos, and there's a lot more to come. Thank you guys.